I don't know if you've tried good jollof rice before, but trust me, if you haven't, hey, you are missing a lot. On our bill of fare today, we are making good jollof rice. Trust me, you will fall in love with it. If today is the first time here, we do easy, simple, but yet delicious recipes. And if you're interested, do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free, they don't take money. Okay, so I have my good meat here. I will just go ahead and then add my spice, okay, and then herbs. So I have my thyme here, and I have my anise seed. I am just going to add that to it, and I have my rosemary, and I have my onions. So we are going to use all of this, okay? And then I have my homemade marinade. That is it. So that consists of herbs, pepper, ginger, garlic, and a whole lot of things. Okay, check my YouTube channel or Facebook for the recipe. You will love it. And then after I blended everything that you saw earlier, I mean the rosemary and the other things, that is what I've added to the good meat. I will then add my salt and allow this to steam on a very low heat. Okay, and after I'm done or it is ready, I will get back to you. So before that, I will add some seasoning, and that is my good seasoning. Okay, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for making it today as well. Okay, I don't take it for granted. Whenever I post videos, you are here to support. I am very, very grateful. So now this is how it looks. I'll just go ahead and give it a stir, and then we are going to leave it on fire for some few minutes again. So when your good meat or any meat is ready, if you off the fire, okay, or if you quench the fire, you are not going to see any blood there. That means your meat is ready. So this is how it looks after some few minutes again, and I can testify that at this point our meat is ready. So we are just going to remove everything from that cooking pot and then pour in our oil so that we can fry the meat perfectly. Already this kitchen, it's smelling so good, and I wish you were here. It smells so good. Yeah, so now our meat is almost ready. You fry it depending on your preference. Okay, yes, now we don't want it dry, we don't want it, we want it a bit dry, not dry like that. Yeah, so now that it is ready, I will remove it from the oil so that we can start the show, the jollof rice. Okay, yes, so after I finish removing everything, I will just go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients we blended. The rosemary and the sisters, the thyme and the other things. Yes, so I will add the rest to that. When I was blending those ingredients, okay, I did not add any water to it. I added oil instead. Okay, yes, now after some few minutes, I can see I have to add the next ingredient, and I'm just going to add my tomato paste. So that is what I've added. I will give it a stir and then make sure I fry this very well or until it is ready. Thank you so much. If you are still with me, I don't take it for granted. But please, if you haven't liked this video yet, please, what are you waiting for? Smash on the like button for YouTube to push this video, okay? And please do not forget to share to others so that we can reach wider audience. And please follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I will then add my tomato sauce. So that is fresh tomatoes I blended, okay? And then give it a stir. So if you want short videos, please do well to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and my YouTube shorts. You will love it there as well. Okay, we share the full recipe there as well. Now we are just going to leave this on fire till it is ready. When it is ready, you will see oil on top. At this moment it is ready, but I want the stew to become a bit brownish, okay, so that we can continue. Now I have washed my rice very well. I washed it and then let it rest in my colander so that it can become dry, and then that will allow me to fry it. Okay, yes, if you don't want to wash it, please that is how you want it. Okay, so just go according to how you want it, but I prefer to wash my rice. Okay, yes. Now I will toast it a bit, and then after I'm done toasting it, I'll just go ahead and add my stock to the rice, give it a stir, and then we can proceed. Are you still with me? Oh my goodness, you are too much. Thank you so much for loving me. Okay, I've added some water to it, so be very mindful of the quantity of water or liquid you add when you are preparing your jollof rice. It shouldn't be too much, okay, because we are not preparing jollof too. Okay, yes. Now I've added my salt, and I'll just give it a stir and then taste it and make sure the salt is okay. Now we are going to leave it on fire, and I will be checking on it every 5 minutes and then stir it. So after so many minutes, this is how it looks. I'll go ahead and then add my fried goat and then give it a stir, wait for some few minutes. And whilst doing this, the fire should be on a very lower heat. Okay, yes, thank you so much. Now our food looks very delicious, and oh my goodness, yes, it is almost ready. Have you left your comment already? If you haven't, please do so for me. Okay, it is very, very important to leave me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and try this recipe. You are going to love it. Okay, now I'll just give it a stir again and then cover it for extra 5 minutes, okay, on a very lower heat. And after extra 5 minutes, I will get back to you to show you how delicious this is looking. So I'll come back. Welcome back. This is how it looks, and it is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to follow for more. I love you.